Problems based on LCM of the functions. So least common multiple. Let us start with some monomial problems first. So find LCM, least common multiple of 4x square y z, 8x cube y square z square, comma 12 x square y cube and z cube. So these are the three. So 4x square yz. For these three monomials, before starting the LCM, we need to take the LCM for the numbers first. Here the numbers is 4, 8 and 12. For 4, 8, 12 we can find out the LCM. So LCM of 4, 8, 12 is 24. We know that normal method also can apply. 4, 8, 12 is a 4 table, 1, 2, 3. Again 2. Yeah, normal least common multiple process if you apply. 4 2 is 8, 8 3 is 24. So number is 24. Next we can take the containing variables. The LCM of the variables, that is x square y z, x cube y square z square and x square y cube z cube. So for this we can take the maximum as we saw previous, x square, x cube and x square. So maximum is x cube now, right? Next is a y, means y power 1, it is y square y cube. So y cube is only highest. And z, z square z cube. So z cube is this. Now these two combined you can write. So hence required LCM, least common multiple, is, that is 24 x cube y cube and z cube. Okay, so this is the way. Now let me show you on some problems based on the functions, how to find out the LCM of the functions. Now let me write the question. So that is, find LCM of the functions. So let me take three functions here. There is a 4a square b in bracket x square minus 4x plus 3 comma 6b square, 6b square in the bracket 4x square minus 4x plus 1 comma 3a in the bracket 2x square minus 7x plus 3. Yeah. So these are the three functions in these three expressions. So how to find out the LCM? Let us see one by one. We should take separately. First we should go to the LCM of the numbers. LCM of the numbers is 4, 6, 3. If it is normal LCM, that will get 12 it is. Okay, 4, 6, 3 LCM is 12. Next to LCM of a square b, b square and a. These three are there. Okay, a square b and b square comma a. So if you notice this, a square is here. There is no a square in this both places. So but we should take that. A square is in first monomial. Second, third there is nothing. So that is only highest. Next to b, b square. So come to the b variable, b square is only highest. Okay, these are multiple terms. Then a square, b square. Next we should see this expressions within the bracket. One is x square minus 4x plus 3. So individually should do now. X square minus 4x plus 3. This you should do factorization. So factorization concept already know. x square, a constant is 3, middle is minus 4x. So minus 3x minus x we can write, because minus 3 into minus 1 is plus 3, you know already that. First we should split into parts. X minus 3 minus 1 common, x minus 3. Now this is x minus 3 into x minus 1. This for x square minus 4x plus 3. Then next one is 4x square minus 4x plus 1. So just for that, 4x square minus 4x. 4x square minus 4x plus 1. So I am not doing factorization, just I am writing the answer because already I did. 2x minus 1, you already know how to do this. You can get like this. Okay, and one more is 2x minus 7x square. So 2x square, 2x square minus 7x plus 3. This also do factorization. So we'll get 2x minus 1 into x minus 3. Okay, after doing factorization, get this. Now all together we need to find out the LCM. So compare to all this, then hence required LCM writing. Hence required LCM. That is, first is a come to the numbers, there is a 12. 12 I can write. Next is a square b square. Next you see the factors x minus 3, x minus 1. X minus 3 is here and there is one more x minus 3 is here. Okay, once only we can take x minus 3. Next x minus 1 here. There is no x minus 1 again anywhere. So you should take x minus 1. Next to 2x minus 1, 2x minus 1. So this second one is 2x minus 1 whole square. And in this third expression, 2x minus 1 is only one time. So 2x minus 1 square. Okay, so this is the LCM. 12 a square b square into x minus 3 into x minus 1 into 2x minus 1 whole square. Okay, this is the way we can do. Whenever the functions are given, we should split into parts separately, and wherever you require the this just only splitting the terms, factorization concept, and we can find out this. Okay, these are some problems based on the LCM of the functions.